Okay, but what you have to do is you have to put the peanut butter, hey, I'm talking to you. You put the peanut butter on one side, on the other side, and you put the jelly in the middle. Okay, so it doesn't get soggy. Okay? Tell you what, I have got the biggest booger in my nose, and I just can't seem to, like, oh, hey guys. Hey, we're on. Hey guys, Coyote here, and today I'm going to do a short video and talk about some things. But first, while I'm getting we're on the mule today, okay? So while I'm getting the mule ready, go ahead and tell me about your day, okay? I want to hear about it. Let me know what's happened, anything good, anything bad. Have you went on any adventures, okay? Just tell me while I'm doing this. Yeah, I remember doing something like that. Yeah? Okay. Yeah? Alright. Let me tell you about my day, okay? So here's how it went. You hang on, you can wait your turn. Okay, so my day started out with, hey, calm down. You don't even know, I haven't even told you yet. So why are you getting all upset? I was in my bed, sleeping, right? And I was having the most incredible dream, okay? I don't remember her name, but she had long blonde hair, and I seen her from a distance, way out in the distance, and I was walking towards her, and I was like skipping, and you know, I got closer and closer, and I ran my fingers through her hair, and it was just the most amazing thing ever. It was so soft, and her face was like an angel coming home from spring break. It was the best thing ever, okay? I enjoyed it very much. But then, like, hang on, I'm turning here. Turning. Hang on. Okay, so, but as I was dreaming about this angel of mine, like, oh gosh. Okay, we're good. Anyways, the reason why I brought you here to my home today, no, wait, that's not right. The reason why I brought you here, the reason why I'm talking to you today is that I have suffered an injury, okay? My tailbone. I hurt my tailbone, so I can't ride my bike right now. And I wanted to tell y'all because I know y'all are waiting for my special 50 subscriber video to go through the tail of the dragon. And I am going to do it, I promise. So don't lose faith in me. I'm going to do it. I have, I think, a bruised tailbone, and I can't ride at all. I can barely sit down sometimes, okay? So please, right now, just bear with me. I will get to it, I promise. And in the meantime, I have a little bit of video that I can put together and show y'all some places, other places that we went. So I'm going to do that, okay? So please have faith in me. I will get it done, and I promise, okay? Just let me get better first, okay? If that's okay with you, then everything will be hunky-dory, okay? So until next... What is that? It's a unicorn. I love unicorns. I absolutely love them. Yeah. Until next time, guys. See ya. Oh snap, they're coming back. Lobo, run!